Do you do 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 do. Come on now, let's find the sound. C is here, it's all around. C is cool and bright to see. Learn with me so easily. C for colors bright and clear. C for cookies sweet and near. C for clouds up in the sky. C's the letter flying high. Do 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 do. C is in the words we say. Candy sprinkled on the way. Circle starts with lovely C. Round and round, come play with me. C for crayons drawing lines. C's for clocks that tell the time. C's can bring a cheerful tone. Let's make C our happy home. Trace the C with just your hand. Big or small, oh, isn't it grand? Curve it gently on the page. Let your C take center stage. C for cakes we love to bake. C for candles on sweet lakes. C for clever all around. C's the letter we've just found. Do do